What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Dynamic AI Tech. JP here, and today, if you are looking to create a music video with one of your original songs or even a song you created on Suno, you came to the right place because we're going to be creating a music video in a program called OpenArt's AI. Last week we did a demo of the singing video or the lip syncing video, and if you want to see that, I'll leave a link in the description below. Today we are going to be doing a quick demo of this narrative video feature right here. Visualizer and lyrics video, that's going to be coming up shortly, so be sure to like and subscribe to the channel because we have a lot of great things coming up. And what we do here at Dynamic AI Tech is we look for the best free or highly discounted AI generation programs because, my goodness, we know how expensive costs can get as content creators. So the song I'm using today is a song that I wrote 8 years ago, and I reimagined it in Suno and just re-recorded the vocals about an hour ago. And I mastered the song, I mastered it, and I'm gonna bring that song, which is called Into the Sand. I already downloaded all the stems and I mixed and mastered it in BandLab. So I'm gonna take that song and I'm gonna bring it right into OpenArt's AI in narrative video. Stick around, you are not going to want to miss this. And just to let you know, I am experimenting with a number of different music video generation programs. I just think OpenArt's AI is one of the best. And another one I'm looking into is called Cremi AI. And I'm going to leave a link to these programs in the description below. And let's get right to it, everyone. Okay, so here we are in the narrative video dashboard. And this is where you would load your song into, or you could paste a link as well. But if you come down here, you'll see your characters. And yes, I created one of my characters here. This is me. Actually, I created all these characters, but this one right here is me. But I need to create a new character of myself, of an authentic photo of me. Because unfortunately, this photo right here, it is AI generated. And I did create a different video in another program using a different picture of myself. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to create another custom character of me in a different picture. And I'm going to call this one JP Real. And, train character for higher consistency. No, let's just go ahead and create this character. Okay, so that is done. So let's come up here and let's upload the song. Okay, the song is in. Let's see, let's come down here. Is everything ready to go? Okay, so what I'd like to do is I'd like to preview the storyboard. I don't want to create the full video because I want to see first, I want to preview what the AI is going to generate before it creates the video, right? So what it's going to do is it's going to create the images before it generates the videos. So let's check this out, but let's just make sure we have everything set to the way that we need it. Match character. We're going to go photorealistic for this one. Or do we want to go cinematic? For goodness sakes, we are going to go cinematic. Okay, so let's come down here. And yes, we want the aspect ratio to be 16:9. Let's open up advanced options and take a peek at what we have. Match video to beat. Yes, we do. We want to match the video to beat. Show captions. Sure, that's fine. And then image model, Seedream 4.5. Let's see what we have here, guys. I like Seedream, but I actually like Nano Banana Pro better. It is more expensive for Nano Banana Pro, but I am taking a liking to Nano Banana Pro. Big time. Okay, video model. Let's take a peek. Kling 2.6. I love it. And let's come down here. Resolution 1080. And our storyboard, guys, is going to cost us 2,000 credits. But I think this is important to do just so we don't waste credits in the end, in the long run, right? Because to create the video is going to cost 7,000 credits. So let's go ahead and preview our storyboard. Okay, so our storyboard is done. And I'm so glad that I did this because I realized that this song is about me and a girl, and actually my wife from years ago. And she's not in this. It's just me in all these images. And as I scroll down, There are a couple of strange images that I would absolutely want to change. I mean, it did a good job with kind of cloning me on this. It did a really good job. All right, there's a girl there. All right, it doesn't have to be my wife. It can be just another, character. I'm paying this gentleman with a wrench. Okay. Interesting. Let's keep coming down here. I look very happy in this video. I don't know if I'm supposed to look that happy. It's kind of supposed to be a frustrating video. Oh, there's a woman right there. Okay. Roadside assistance. Breaking down. Yeah, a lot of the songs about kind of breaking down on the road. And ooh, I like that image of me eating food. Oh, there's a woman right there. Okay. Kind of looks like my wife. Nice. Not bad. Okay, good job, OpenArt AI. Except I'm going to go back one step and I'm going to see if I can train my wife to be in some of these images here. All right, so I will be right back. All right, so we're back here in the beginning of the narrative video on the dashboard, and I'm going to go ahead and upload the song. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to choose a different character, and I'll tell you why in just a second. Okay, so I'm going to be choosing a different character because I'm going to be singing the video, and I already have recorded myself singing the song in the studio. So I'm going to make this about a story about a couple, right? Whatever woman is going to be, I can't do a duet or a duo in OpenArt AI. It only allows me to choose just one character. So I'm not able to train my wife and put her in here and put her with me. So I'm going to just choose one of my characters. I'll choose Ryan Vale. And in the storyline, I put man with a woman throughout the video. It's a love story about a man and a woman. Make the characters look consistent. So we're going to try this again with Ryan Vale. We're going to make this a love story. And let's see what happens when we check out the storyboard. For some reason, it's only 565 credits now. And then to create the video is only 5,000 and not 7,000. So not really sure why that happened. It's actually less credits than what it was before. But let's go ahead and check out our storyboard. All right. Now we're talking. We have a man and a woman. This is what I wanted for the story. So this is our storyboard. And let's see, this is my character, Ryan Vale, that I created. And the shots look amazing. They definitely look cinematic, so I'm very happy with that. Let's come down here. We're going to just take a glance at all these images just to make sure that they are not weird. I think possibly there are too many shots of the man and the woman in this, but we're going to see what happens in this because this is a love story song anyway, so let's just do it. And this is going to cost us 5,000 credits, people. All right, let's do it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the video is now complete. Let's play it and see what happens.
Take my car to the shore. 80 miles won't go no more. The engine smokes and stops on 1 and 9. The sun beats down as we wait outside. We can't say what's on our minds. I took your hand. Did I cross the line? The late night diner with your disco fries. I could not look into your eyes. There's no way I could take you home right now. I settled back into my chair, looked outside, oh it's not fair. I'd walk you home but the rain came pouring down. Your silhouette has burned into the sand. You said, come on, let's go out. We'll go dancing when there's
All right, so I'm not going to play the whole video, but thanks for hanging on, you guys. Thanks for watching this video. I will leave a link to this. I'm going to be posting this on one of my YouTube channels, so you can watch the whole video on my YouTube channel. I think it did a phenomenal job, right? I really didn't prompt it that much. I let the AI kind of do its thing. All I did was prompt it that I need a man and a woman and that this was a love story. So if you spend a little bit more time on this, it will do what you want it to do. I hope you guys have an opportunity to go over to OpenArt AI and check this software out for yourself. I will leave a link in the description below. I think it has a ton of potential, and this is just one of 4 features to create music videos. The first one is the lip sync, and this is the narrative video, and then there's a visualizer, and then there's a lyrics. And I think it did a good job at also posting the captions on the bottom of this. So well done, OpenArt AI. And I'm going to be playing around more in OpenArt AI with the other 2 features, and I'm going to be doing those next in a couple of my next videos. So make sure you guys like and subscribe, because I am going to be exploring a number of different programs, and I'm going to be finishing this one out. But so far, OpenArt AI is my favorite program. Thanks for watching, everyone, and do me a favor and leave a comment below of what you liked best about this program. And you know what? Let me know if there's anything that you didn't like about this program, because just like you, and I am learning and exploring just like you, and I am really, really happy to be able to post this content for you guys to check out before you start investing your money, because you know what? My goodness, things are expensive now, and yes, it is very expensive to create these music videos, but I'm happy to do it for you. Anyway, love you all. I will see you all on the next video.